Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase using their new advanced trade feature, which will save you money when buying Bitcoin. So let's get started. All right, so I'm here on the Coinbase homepage. If you don't have a Coinbase account, it's really easy to get set up. It's just like setting up a Facebook or a Twitter account. You'll sign up using an email and you set a password, and now you've got an account that you can log into. Now, if you want to make a purchase, there is an easy way to do it over here with buy sell. You'll just pull up this interface, and the default is Bitcoin, but you can choose other cryptocurrencies. You'll notice I have a payment method set up already. If you haven't done that yet, it should just say add payment method down here. You can click here and see that I've set up a few different bank accounts. And then you can click add payment method and choose the way you would like to add money to your Coinbase account. The easiest way is bank account, but you can use a debit card, PayPal, direct deposit. There's a lot of ways to do this. And with bank account, you're going to use Plaid to set up access to your bank account. So Plaid is a third-party financial service that will allow you to connect your bank account to your Coinbase account. And Plaid supports lots of different bank accounts, most of the major bank accounts in the US. So that's the way you get yourself set up. And if you're ready to make your purchase, you would just choose your amount and click Buy Now. But notice there that when we use this simple purchase method, that we're paying a pretty high merchant fee from Coinbase for getting this done. There is a much cheaper way to purchase Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. So let's explore that. Let's go over to Trade. And you'll see here that we get into the trading interface and that they have a lot of trading pairs. Now, a trading pair is just basically swapping one asset for the other. You can see here that the most popular ones are at the top, but you can also make crypto to crypto swaps. You can swap Bitcoin for Ethereum or Bitcoin for Tether, but the most common ones are swapping a crypto for US dollar. Now, it sounds a little complicated, but it's basically just trading crypto for your dollars, right? It's just like making a purchase. It's pretty simple, but there is a preliminary step that you'll need to do before you can make this trade. You basically just need to get some dollars into your Coinbase account. And that's pretty easy. Just go over here to Assets, and then we'll click on US dollar, and then we'll add cash. All right, and I've already got my bank account set up and ready to go. So all I need to do is put in an amount, and then I'm ready. Notice that there is a minimum of 10. So if all you want to do is buy $10 worth of Bitcoin, then that's fine. I'll use a nice even amount of $100. We'll hit continue here. Notice that I'm not getting charged any merchant fees when I make this deposit. We'll hit add cash now, and then we're done. And then if we go back to assets, do a quick refresh, you can see now that I've got that $100 in my account now. Now that we've got the money in our account, we can go ahead and make our trade. We'll go back over here to trade. And since we want to buy Bitcoin today, we'll choose the Bitcoin US dollar pair. We'll just click on that. And then we get over to the trading interface. Now I know it looks daunting and there are a lot of advanced features, but I'm going to show you just a quick, easy way to purchase some Bitcoin. We'll use market so that our trade will execute right away. And then we'll slide this over to 100%. You can buy as much or as little of your available balance as you want to, right? I'll go ahead and make the full purchase of $100 that I just deposited. And then we'll click Buy BTC. And that was it. Really simple. The Bitcoin is in my account now. And as I mentioned, there's a lot of advanced trading tools that you can use over here that if you're an advanced trader, you can take advantage of. But let's go over and check the Bitcoin that we just bought. We'll go back over here to Assets. Notice that we've got almost the whole $100 in our account. Now, if we click here and go to Wallet, we can look at that transaction that we just did. And you can see that the trading fee was only 60 cents, right? Much cheaper than that $2.99 that you would pay over in the simple interface. And the only thing you really had to do was just make your deposit first before you did your trade. So it's a much cheaper way to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase, save yourself some money, and get your feet wet in the trading interface, because there's a lot of advanced features that you can take advantage of as you get more comfortable with trading on Coinbase Advanced Trade. If there's any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.